Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video you're going to discover how to make $10 per day by only doing some simple tasks. So I'm going to walk you through the entire steps and the entire process, how to make it happen. It is very easy. It is beginner friendly. There's no investment needed. You can literally sign up for free. There's no credit card information required or whatsoever. Okay, so the site that I talk about is called People Per Hour. So for your information, People Per Hour is actually a freelancing website whereby you can deliver, or you can offer any service online that you could deliver online with within this website, and then you can get paid as low as $10 to 50 to $100. Okay, so what are we going to do in this method is we're going to type in background removal. All right, so there are so many people who are looking for this type of service on People Per Hour. Okay, so some of those are online seller, like maybe they are selling on eBay, they're selling on e-commerce, so they need someone to help them to remove the background. Okay, but this is very easy task, guys, and if you stick with me until the end, I'm going to show you a simple hack or a trick how to remove the background, the image, the background image within a couple of seconds only. So stick around if you want to discover. But first off, let's take a look at all the gigs over here. Right, this one, remove the background for $10 and remove background for $10. This one, Photoshop cutout for $10. You don't even need to use Photoshop if you don't know how to use it, because I'm going to reveal to you the site just a second. Okay, this one for $25, remove and replace background, and this one $15. Right, so just take a look at this guy over here, guys. It has 500 orders already. Right, so equal to 5,000 already. So this one equal to 60,000 6,000, I'm sorry. This one approximately like 3,000 already. So this is insane amount of money, considering that you just need to remove the background. How easy it is, guys. So if you someone who know how to use Photoshop, you know already how easy this task is, and you can make a lot of money. All right, so there's another website that's called Fiverr, whereby you can also provide your service on Fiverr as well. Right, I'm going to copy this one, background removal, and then I'm going to type in on Fiverr. So I'm going to paste it here and click search. Same goes with People Per Hour. Fiverr is also a freelancing website whereby you can deliver your any service that you could deliver it online. You can offer on Fiverr. So just take a look at all the gigs available here. Image background removal, $5. This one, image background removal, $5. 26 orders, 235 orders, 1K orders. This guy literally making like 5 grand already by only remove the background. This one $500 already, $555. This one 500, approximately 2,500 already by only remove the background. Okay, so just want to share you a very little hack. As you can see, the price on Fiverr is slightly cheaper than the price on People Per Hour. So what you can do instead, this is a very powerful trick, by the way. Okay, so you can actually provide a service on People Per Hour, and then you can charge people for $10, and then once you get an order, you can head off to Fiverr and then hire someone on Fiverr to actually do all the thing for you. So you literally don't have to do anything in order to earn $10 a day. All right, how cool is that? And $5 would be your capital to pay someone on Fiverr, and the rest is your 100% profit. Okay, so that is one cool way on how to actually making money, make $10 per day without actually doing anything. Okay, so now it comes to the sites that I'm going to reveal to you. But before that, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video if you could find some value, and it does help my algorithm as well. And I also wanted to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, so the site that going to help you to remove the backgrounds so fast is called remove.bg. Head off to remove.bg, and it could help you to remove the background within a couple of seconds only. Right, so I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and then you're going to land over to the site. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click upload, and then I'm going to pick my image here, and you don't have to do anything. Right, so within a couple of seconds, this site is going to help you to remove the background. Can you see how powerful it is? I'm going to show you the the image, the actual image. So this is the image before remove the background, and then this is the image after remove the background. So if you are someone who know how to use Photoshop, you know that you're gonna need to like take like maybe 5 minutes in order to remove all the background, right? But with the powerful of this site, you can literally remove the background within a couple of seconds. So this is a very, very powerful hack, or very, very powerful tools that you want to utilize in order to make $10 per day online. Okay, so guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can try. I hope you can take action right after you finish watching this video. So this is by far the best and the easiest way on how to make 10 bucks per day online. Okay, so you can sign up for people per hour and fiverr.com. The sign up process is pretty straightforward. There's no investment needed, there's no credit card information needed, and whatsoever. You can literally start for free. Okay, so before I end this video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up as well. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.